Who's that, Nelly?
Yoda.
It's Yoda.
It's Yoda.
What is Yoda doing?
I just Yoda.
Does Yoda talk?
Yeah.
You want to say hi, Grandma? Hi, Grandpa?
No.
Hi, Grandma?
No, Papa.
Oh, you want to say hi, Papa?
No, Papa. That's a Papa the food.
Where's your dad?
That's just food.
The phone? You say hi to your dad on the phone?
Yeah.
Oh, where's your dad right now?
My dad's sleeping because my dad
He's sleeping. I thought he was at work.
working. The mommy's working.
What about Kuya?
For sure.
At school? What about Nelly? Where's Nelly? Huh?
I'm going to the bar.
What are you doing?
At my eyes.
What's wrong with your eyes?
Are you doing eyes?
Pretty eyes? What do you want to buy?
I'll buy the
What are you going to buy? You're showing Uncle Darwin your Yoda? No more. Uncle Darwin's gone. You want to go to the store? Nelly, I can't see you. Nelly's sleeping. Yoda's sleeping? Wants to go Chuck E. Cheese. What are you doing?
I just wayward.
You want to sing? A, B, C. Go sing.
Baby said, baby G.
What is the baby doing?
Baby. My bag here. Oh wait. Where's this? My bag here. My bag here, please.
What are you doing, Nelly?
Oh, baby. My eyes.
You're going to sleep? Good night.
I just baby.
Just a baby? You want to hug your baby?
Baby.
Does your baby know how to do shoulder?
Just baby. Baby.
Did baby go poo-poo?
No.
Hmm.
I go pee-pee.
Go pee-pee?
Baby stinks.
Baby stinks? Oh, baby's sleeping. Bye.